Hi friends, Paula, Rush Truck Center, 408-655-8889, Ventura A at Rush Enterprises. Today we're at the Atlanta Motor Speedway. We have the Isuzu electric vehicle. Specifically, we are testing out the ADAS system. This is going to be like your personal vehicles, following distance alerts, vehicle start notification, miss acceleration, full range adaptive cruise, lane departure, and the one you're watching right now, the star of the show, is the automatic emergency braking. We have been instructed to let it ride. We are on the accelerator and we're going to stop. The truck is going to beep and give us lighting, and the driver is not stopping. It did it! It stops right there before collision. Imagine what this will do to your business, not having injuries, cost of insurance, no downtime. The Isuzu diesel and electric vehicle have this feature. Amazing. It is a must-have for you to order, and these are not on your lot ready. You have to place an order for the right application for the right truck with the ADAS system. Would you believe it? Mr. Mike Olden, who's holding the phone, has convinced me to drive this vehicle and demonstrate with the camera on. So excuse me, but you know they will be screaming and screeching.
So this is your reaction.
So here we go.
Good, how are you?
I'm doing great. My name's
All right, so you're gonna go along for the ride.
Let's get on the racetrack, bottom lane. You see those orange cones down there? Let's get on the racetrack.
On the actual racetrack?
Yeah. And then let's stay on this bottom lane.
Okay.
Now, trust it, okay? Don't touch the brake. Get up to 20 miles per hour and then level off at 20. Maintain 20. Look at the target and then trust it. Don't hit the brakes. You're gonna hear it chiming. It's working. Don't hit the brake. Beautiful.
No, I
Beautiful.
didn't. I was like,
Good job. I saw you go to the brake twice, but you didn't press the brake pedal, and that was awesome. And then
so did it go off?
Yeah, it worked.
Oh, okay. I was like,
It
oh,
worked.
that's good.
It worked.
It said brake. I was like, oh my God. No, I just screamed. This is after the fact. Okay, I want to take you from the beginning how it went, right? So it's amazing. First of all, this vehicle has a great pickup and go. When you turn the key, it's engaged. And so from the light or anytime you're stopped somewhere, you can just accelerate and it goes. With plenty of time before you want to stop, I want you to let that regenerative braking power work. This is building energy back in the truck that you're going to use later. That's free fueling for you. This free fueling up to 20% of regenerative power. That is a lot for you. Now we go around, right? And so when we are talking about this system, we are maintaining speed. We are going just like if it was in live scenario. And when this system knows, it gives the driver, it beeps, the lights go on, and it comes to a complete stop. Amazing. I did scream, you heard it. Now, beyond that, the system works every time. The really important thing that was told to me afterwards is that anytime that your drivers have this incident or the use of this feature, they need to stop and restart the vehicle so it resets it and it's ready to go for any other opportunity for the system to come in and work for you. Thank you for this journey. Paula Rush, 408-655-8889.